Amrut Tulsi Lozenges. Rog anek, upay ek. Amrut Tulsi Lozenges is a highly effective formulation with the essence of holy basil at its epicenter. Tulsi, also known as Queen of Herbs, is useful in more than 200 types of diseases. It has restorative and spiritual properties. Tulsi is a proven natural immunity booster, thereby promoting overall health and well-being. It is also beneficial in improving digestion. It is a powerful blend of 13 vital herbs. It is available in 2 palatable variants of honey lemon and ginger mint. Amrut Tulsi Lozenges contains the goodness of ginger, which helps soothe sore throat. Other key ingredients include sunthi, amla, kali mirch, harad and many more. It helps reduce throat inflammation and promotes healing, thus providing relief from dry cough, wet cough, productive cough, allergic cough, smoker's cough, sore throat and laryngitis. It opens up the airways, allowing relaxed breathing while acting as an expectorant that helps in the expulsion of phlegm. It effectively reduces laryngitis, painful sore throat and opens up blocked nose. Take 1 lozenge 3 to 4 times a day. It is suitable for adults and children above 6 years of age. While you are recovering, do not forget to gargle with salt water and take steam inhalation for faster recovery. Amrut Tulsi range of products can actually be summarized as Rog anek, upay ek.